Establishing financial systems, accounting, bookkeeping, that's huge. That's important. You're going to want to have this done like ahead of time. You're going to want to have some kind of financial acumen. You're going to want to have like some kind of a bookkeeper, someone managing your funds. This is something I didn't do in the beginning. Like I literally just hit the ground running, and then I opened up, 2, 3, 4 salons. Now I had 5 salons. I had 2 e-commerce stores. My money was being, dumped into one company to fund another company. Money was being used from this salon to fund that salon. And it was a accounting, bookkeeping nightmare. So what I want you to do is go to Upwork, hire an accountant, find somebody who knows the language of money, knows the language of accounting, get on a phone call with them. I don't care if they're $200, $300, $400, $500 an hour, whatever you can afford. Hire them for an hour or two so they can give you the high level strategy of really maximizing your bookkeeping and your finances. This way, you know the language of money. You understand how to pass this on to an accountant to make your bookkeeping seamless. If I would do it all over again, this is what I would do. I would learn the language of money first. I would hire somebody to teach me about bookkeeping and finances. So when I pass it off to somebody, like an accountant, I know it's being handled properly because I speak the same language as them. And this way, if your accountant leaves, retires, quits, or you just don't like them, you can move to somebody else. Here's a tip for you when it comes to accountants and lawyers, specifically accountants. You never ask your accountant if I can do this. Is this possible? No. You ask them, how do I do this? How do I write off my equipment? How do I get more deductions? How? Not if. Because if you ask them if this is possible, they're going to say no because they're lazy. And if you're an accountant watching this, I'm sorry, but you don't want to do more work than you really have to, even if it means saving your clients money. So you're going to probably push them to the side of, oh, no, it's not possible. It's too hard. No, you want to ask your accountant, how do I make this happen? How do I make this possible? What's my strategy for me to maximize my deductions? And if you can write off your equipment $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 every month, lowering your tax liability in that state, taking those assets out of your business name so if you get sued, they don't get that equipment, that's a win-win for you. So ask your accountant, how do I do this?